This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for August 30th, 2016. Corn market down 4 to 5 today. Beans down 12 to 13.5. Wheat market, Chicago down 4 to 7. Minneapolis up 1 to 2. Kansas City down 5 to 6. Big news in the grain markets continues to be this heavy weight over the market in regards to managed money selling. We continue to see liquidation. We're up here against kind of the final contract for old crop. We've got some grain that is selling here, and that's keeping a negative tone around the market. Also, we've got good looking weather forecasts keeping a more of a negative tone around these markets. So right now we're searching for the lows. From our vantage point, it could be anywhere from 10-15 cents lower yet in the corn market. Soybean market, with as long as the funds are, could lose upwards of 50 cents yet, but we think support will set up around $9 there. And the wheat market looking for possibly another 10-15 cents off the December contracts to work their way down towards where the September's trading right now. So that's one of the big concerns, is a carry in the market. Speaking of carry, some opportunity in carry. Corn carry hit 25 cents today from Dece to July. Also equally important is the importance of getting some basis set here. I think producers should make sure that they got harvest delivery basis that they're working on to be set in that manner, and that way it takes away a little bit of that uncertainty there. Looking at the feeder cattle market today, a big reversal there. Feeder cattle trading $2 lower at one point today, reversed and finished $3.30 to $4.15 higher on the day. The live cattle market up anywhere from $2 to $2.40 after trading as much as $1.20 lower. And the hog market was kind of firmer all day, but up 50 to 70 to finish the day. And just a crazy turnaround in that live cattle market. Reports of some 110 cash trade down in the south today, and that's what got the market going, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but what does anymore in this cattle market? So we see a nice reversal. The charts look promising, and that could provide some opportunity here if we can get back up into that 110 to 114 range, at which level we look to be a little more of a seller on October live cattle, and feeder cattle back towards that 145, 148 type range off the feeder cattle. The hog market, a little bit of slippery slope here. In our opinion, we built a little premium, and we could see some pressure come back around that market. There's just not a lot to grab onto right now, so a little more of a range trade out of the hogs. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.